Space is full of mysteries, from black holes to distant galaxies. But did you know it also has a secret scent? Have you ever wondered what space smells like? Astronauts who've ventured outside their spacecraft report a surprising detail. Space has a scent. They describe it as sharp and metallic, like seared steak, hot metal, or welding fumes, clinging to their suits and tools after a spacewalk. This cosmic perfume challenges our assumptions about the universe as a silent, odorless void. The smell connects the vast unknown to something familiar, making space feel a little more human. Astronauts from Apollo to the ISS consistently describe this strong, pungent odor that fills the airlock after a spacewalk. Imagine floating among the stars, then returning to your ship and being greeted by the scent of a machine shop. So, where does this smell come from? How can a vacuum have a scent at all? The answer lies in chemistry, physics, and the energetic processes that shape our universe. The smell of space is more than trivia. It's a clue to cosmic mysteries. Let's follow that trail and see where it leads. The cosmos is waiting, and apparently, it has something to tell our noses. Astronaut stories bring this cosmic mystery to life. Don Pettit described the smell as a sweet, metallic sensation, like welding fumes, clinging to his spacesuit. Apollo astronaut Jack Schmitt said lunar dust smelled like spent gunpowder, an explosive aroma from the moon's ancient soil. These aromatic clues aren't just in empty space, they're embedded in celestial bodies. After a spacewalk, astronauts return to the airlock, and as soon as they remove their helmets, the scent hits them. Thomas Jones described it as a distinct odor of ozone, more pronounced on suits exposed longer to the vacuum. The smell is fleeting but unforgettable, quickly fading as the station's air filters kick in. These personal accounts are more than stories, they're valuable data. The consistency of descriptions, hot metal, burnt steak, welding fumes, points to a real, repeatable phenomenon. It's the signature scent of near-Earth space, a message from the cosmos to our bravest explorers. You can't actually smell space directly. There's no air to carry scent molecules in the vacuum. If you took off your helmet in space, you'd have bigger problems than missing a whiff of cosmic aroma. So what are astronauts smelling? The aftermath. During a spacewalk, their suits are bombarded by energetic particles and reactive molecules. These particles cling to the fabric, turning the suit into a cosmic scent sponge. When astronauts return to the airlock, the introduction of air releases these trapped particles. The resulting odor is a chemical reaction triggered by bringing a piece of space into an Earth-like atmosphere. Astronauts aren't sampling the air of space. They're experiencing a reaction between cosmic particles and oxygen. It's the smell of the void, revealed only when it meets our world. The airlock is where the magic happens. As astronauts return from a spacewalk, the airlock repressurizes, and air swirls around their suits. Oxygen interacts with cosmic particles clinging to the suit, creating the unique smell of space. The first breath after removing a helmet is a mix of recycled air and newly released compounds, burnt steak, hot metal. This rapid oxidation process produces the scent, but it's fleeting. The station's air filters quickly scrub the odor away. The smell only appears during that brief transition from vacuum to atmosphere. The airlock acts as a chemical lab, mixing raw space ingredients with oxygen. The scent isn't the void itself, but the result of a cosmic handshake. It's a fleeting reminder that someone just returned from the edge of space. What causes this distinctive smell? Scientists point to polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs, complex molecules common throughout the universe. On Earth, PAHs are found in grilled food, car exhaust, and smoke. In space, they're forged in dying stars and scattered across the cosmos. Astronauts on spacewalks move through regions rich in these molecules and other energetic particles. The sun's radiation creates highly reactive atomic oxygen, which can corrode spacesuits and tools. When these atoms and PAHs are brought inside and meet air, they react, producing sharp, acrid, and metallic odors. The burnt steak or gunpowder smell comes from this chemical cocktail. The process is similar to searing meat or burning gunpowder. Energy-rich bonds break, releasing aromatic compounds. The result? A familiar yet otherworldly scent. It's the universe's way of leaving its mark on our senses. Think of the universe as a giant kitchen, with stars as ovens cooking up elements. Supernovae scatter complex molecules like PAHs across space, becoming building blocks for new worlds. Our solar system is full of this cosmic dust, and astronauts in low Earth orbit fly through a thin soup of these ancient molecules. Their spacesuits collect samples from this cosmic cloud. Space is flooded with high-energy radiation, creating reactive particles called free radicals. When these radicals meet oxygen inside the station, they react instantly, producing the unique smell. The aroma is a result of ancient PAHs, atomic oxygen, and energetic particles, all cooked together by our atmosphere. The final step. Oxygen acts as the heat, releasing the scent. The cosmos is a dynamic, chemically active environment, leaving its signature on everything that passes through. The smell of space is a recipe written in stardust and energy. Knowing space has a smell changes how we relate to the cosmos. It transforms space from a distant spectacle into a multi-sensory experience. The universe isn't just out there, it's something you can bring back, something you can smell. This quirky fact reminds us the universe is full of surprises. No one predicted space would smell like a barbecue. It was an accidental, profound discovery. The scent of space makes the dream of space travel more tangible and relatable. It adds a new texture to our imagination and science fiction dreams. The smell of burnt steak becomes the perfume of adventure. Ultimately, the smell of space is a lesson in cosmic perspective, a chemical echo linking us to the stars. The cosmos is not a sterile void, but a rich, active, and wonderfully strange place we're only beginning to know.